Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of April is our lovely founder, Becky. And her challenge to us is to use April 2022 calendar of events. Select 3 or 4 events in that month that is inspiring you to document a memory. And that memory can be of any time. And for layout number 4, I selected April 30th, National Rebuilding Day. And the collection that I chose to use is the Becky storyline collection because I am trying to kill that collection. And once I am completed with this layout, I'll have 3 pattern papers left from this collection, some ephemera, and some stickers, plus my second full sheet of chipboard pieces. I already went through 1 full sheet of chipboard pieces. So now I'm showing you the product. So I just showed you the stickers, and now this is the foiled stickers. And then I briefly showed you the ephemera. I didn't go over it in detail. I did add to this kit those dimensional stickers from Hobby Lobby, and I'll come back to them. And then I selected 2 alphas from my scrappy stash. 1 alpha set is the black foam alphas, and then these little tile stickers. Off camera, I matted my 3 photographs with close to my heart black cardstock. Then from my scrap papers from the Becky storyline collection, I used 2 pattern papers and matted them together and then placed them also on black cardstock. That is my foundation layer for my photographs. And if you want to know the measurements of that foundation layer, just leave a comment below and I'll provide that to you. So now I am going to stack and angle my photographs. Now it's time to embellish. And the first thing that I do is secure down my title, and I use those large foamy alphas that I picked up either at Hobby Lobby's or Michael's probably about 5 years ago. I spell out the word build. Then with those craft tiles with black letters, I spell out the word day. So for National Rebuild Day, my title is Build Day. My husband is showing our little guy how to use some of the electrical building equipment. And yes, the only thing that my little guy is missing is his safety glasses. And I realized that as I was creating this layout, but he was supervised the entire time. All right, so from those dimensional stickers from Hobby Lobby, I put a drill and a measuring tape. Then from the Becky storyline sticker sheet, I select the sticker that says awesome. Next, I will get out the ephemera die cut pieces that I have left over, and I select a banner that has a dovetail at the end, and there's a word phrase that states write your own story. I select a large succulent leaf. I will select a 3x4 card that's like a bingo card with math numbers. It has dividing, equal, and times. And at the bottom it says Math O, which I thought was perfectly fitting for this layout. You see, I placed a bird over there on the left side of my title, but that does not stay there. I go back to those Hobby Lobby dimensional stickers and I select the drill and place it over there by my title. I place a dimensional screwdriver above my 3x4 card on the right-hand side, and then another little sticker that is an arrow that says yes, and that came from the Becky Booten Storyline collection. This layout came together so quickly and easily. Also from the ephemera pack, I wanted to do an embellishment above my photographs, so I cut around this flower and that word phrase because it was a ruler. And I also cut off the off-white that was around that ruler, and I tuck it under my paper layers that's above my photographs. I bring in a round sticker and tuck that in, a little tab that says details, and then a round sticker that has a gold heart inlay on it. Then for my final touch, I know I'm ahead of myself, I get out my Dana Wakley medium gloss spray and in medieval, spit it out, Dolly. It is kind of like a metal. It's not real silvery, but it's kind of got a metal finish. Perfect for boys' layouts. I love the Dana Wakley medium gloss sprays. I am just in love with them. I think I now have 12 of her sprays, and I got turned on by these from Close to My Heart because we carry, I think, 6 colors. All right, so I am adding my splatters to this layout. Now, one thing that is missing that I did off camera is I added journaling lines under my title there to the left. It turned out perfect. I'm telling you, this just turned out perfect. To see the finishing of this layout, I will be showcasing all the layouts that I completed in the month of April, probably on May 1st. All right, be sure to go check out Kathy and Becky's channel. I will have their links listed below in the description box. Go check out our Facebook group site. That link is also listed below in the description box. Most of all, get out those photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way, and we will see you next time. Give a thumbs up, please. Bye.